Souvlaki, it's a Greek classic, but I'm going to make mine slightly more Australian by serving it with Kangaroo. I love Kangaroo. It's a fantastic source of protein, iron, and it's also really good for you. So for the Souvlaki, we need to make a marinade. In this bowl, I have a combination of garlic, some oregano, dried oregano, and some freshly cracked coriander seeds, some lemon zest, straight into the bowl. Great. And a good pinch of salt, because this needs to season the meat. So 2 pinches of salt, and to bring the whole thing together, some extra virgin olive oil. And we'll give everything a good mix. Okay, we'll pop that to one side and let's prepare the Kangaroo steaks. So I'm using about 500 grams of Kangaroo steak. You can see how lean this gorgeous meat is. I'm going to cut the steaks into rough squares of about 2 centimetres, and then that goes straight into the marinade. Now we'll give everything a really good mix. You can see that marinade sticking nicely to the Kangaroo. I've got some metal skewers here and I'll thread the meat on and ready to cook. Pan's nice and hot, so we'll add our Kangaroo souvlakis, and we're going to cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how you like it. I like mine to be slightly pink in the centre. Okay, the Kangaroo is ready to go, so all we have to do is make the souvlaki, wrap it in some pita bread that I've warmed up, a generous spoonful of tzatziki, which is just yogurt and cucumber, a little garlic, spread that out, and I'll grab one of these skewers straight from the grill. We'll just take it off the skewer, and in Greece they dress it really simply, just with some tomatoes, some raw onion that's been finely sliced, and lots of oregano. To wrap this up, we'll start at the base, fold it over, and that right there is the ultimate Greek street food with an Aussie twist, Kangaroo. So delicious, it's also good for you. Delicious.